In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Git on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, you just need to open any browser, and in the browser search for Git download, press enter, and here you can see gitscm.com. So you need to click here, and here you can see Windows, Mac, Linux. So we are using Windows, so we need to click here Windows, and here you can see Git for Windows 64 setup. So I'm going to click here and it will download a exe file. Here you can see. So this will take some time to download. So right now I'll just fast forward the video until this download is complete. So here you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on this downloaded file and it will show you something like this. So here we're going to click on next. Then we need to choose where you want to install Git. So I'll keep the default location, then click on next. Then over here, we're going to check this on the additional icon on the desktop. Then click here next, next, and then click here next again. Just keep clicking on next, and here choose the middle one, then click on next. Then here choose the second one, click on next, next, and here choose this one, then click here next, next. Just keep clicking on next and then click on install. So it will start installing Git, and it will also add a Git icon over here as well. And here you can see this install, and we have the Git bash icon over here. So if I just check this and click on finish, it will open. Here you can see it opened the Git bash. So yeah, this is how you can install Git on Windows. And here you can see we are able to see the Git version, and again you can also see the Git version by going to the command prompt. If I just open the command prompt and if I just say over here git dash dash version, press enter, here you can see this is the Git version. And if you want to open the git bash command prompt, what you need to do is that you just need to choose a folder. Let's choose this folder, and over here, and in this folder location, I'll just right click here, click on show more option, and here you can see open git bash here. If I just click on it, it will open git bash to this project location. So yeah, this is how we can install Git on Windows. I hope this is useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.